Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, everyone? What's going on, boys? And ladies in the chat. I don't know if there's any ladies left in crypto right now. What's going on, everyone? What's up, Kane? What's up, Mike? I've got baby Jabba or baby Bob running around. That would be awful. Mom! No! I want candy! Oh, God. What's going on, bully? Bitcoin trying to bounce off that channel again. See what happens. See what happens here. See you guys in a sec. Dildo Schwagen! Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Dan Kane. What's up, guys? I'm just chilling right now. I saw a lot of people super bearish earlier today. It was crazy, man. We were dropping below our channel. It was looking kind of dire. But, you know, Bitcoin likes to bounce off that golden pocket, trying to build a W pattern back up to the upside. Do we have some HOPIUM? Let's find out. Let's find out, boys. I'm still out of bed. I'm not back in bed yet. Okay? I haven't been in bed in a long time. Not a long time. From?
Timer's ticking.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on, Dominic? Thanks for the shout out for the likes, man. What's up, Josh? Good to see you, man. Bottom dweller. The bottom dweller's orders might get hit. Oh, please, no. You guys know my hair will be gone if the bottom dwellers. I don't want to hear from the stupid bottom dwellers, man. Let me know if you're a bottom dweller. Gaming with Bat, this song is awesome, man. This gets me hyped every time before we start the stream, man. Bitboy looks worn down.
Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Bitboy looks worn down. Oh, God, man. Listen, Bitboy flips more than my mom flipped pancakes when I was a kid. He flips bearish bullish more than my mom flips pancakes. Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you. Oh, God, man. All right, Bitcoin trying to come up a little bit here. See if Bitcoin can break 41K. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. What's up, Smiles? Yo! We're just going to jump on in here. What's going on, boys? What's going on, boys? All right, Bitcoin's trying to come up right now, so we're going to jump right into the action. We're not going to listen to the penciled X's. We got the start stream. What's going on, everyone? Everyone was super bearish earlier today. Bitcoin's trying to bounce back up. But, you know, here's what I was watching earlier today. This was what I was watching earlier today, guys. All right? We are about an hour away from the daily close. All right? We had a quick wick back down below our channel. But we've seen 3 wicks below this channel. And every single time Bitcoin has came back up and closed back above. All right? What is Bitcoin doing again? Well, it's creating another classic W reversal back to the upside. Slight wick below the channel. And it's trying to continue up. Looks like we get the close back in the channel, which is good. If we got the close below the channel, that wouldn't have been too good. But I think right now, we're sitting in a decent spot. But what's going on? I hope everyone had a fantastic Monday. What's going on? What's going on? Alien said never bearish. What's up, guys? Hope you guys had a fantastic day. I had a fantastic day, man. Hope you guys had a fantastic Easter yesterday if you guys did celebrate. I didn't stream yesterday. I was running a little bit late doing things, and I had to be somewhere at a certain time, so I wasn't able to stream yesterday. But we are back, and we're back to the regular schedule programming, which is every day, every single day, back here. We're going to get started, though. So 40,942. Can Bitcoin come a little higher? Let's check it out, man. Let's go to the 4-hour real quick. All right, what do we want to see on Bitcoin in the 4-hour? Well, we have this sort of falling channel. We have a little bit of a falling channel here coming in for BTC at the moment. One thing that I will say, okay, we have a little bit of bearish divergence coming in on BTC at the moment, but it's not confirmed, right? We need to see a little bit of a red candle start to form here before we can get a confirmation of this bearish divergence. You guys can see here we have higher highs on the RSI and we have lower highs on price action. So if we can maybe get rejected here, get a red candle come down, maybe we have a little bit of bearish divergence, okay? And then all the pencil necks can get exactly what they want. Where's all my pencil necks in the chat? Ah, man, it's not even the pencil necks. It's the bottom dwellers. What's going on, guys? It's the bottom dweller. I told you my orders are going to get hit at 30K, at 25K, and at 20K. My orders are on the way. I already have my orders set, and they are going to fill, okay? They are going to fill, and all you bulls who held onto your bags all the way down will be super, super salty while I'm rich because I bought the bottom, okay? I'm telling you right now, you guys will be super, super salty, and I'm going to get all my orders filled, okay? Now I'm going to go eat a cheeseburger and some fries, and I'm going to enjoy it, okay? Because that's the only thing salty I'm going to have, okay? See you guys. Oh, man. The bottom dweller. You got to love the bottom dweller, man. What's up? At 5K, you got a better shot at seeing probably... I'm not going to get religious here, but you probably get a better shot of seeing Jesus than seeing 5K, my man. You get a better shot of seeing Jesus than 5K. You know, just say it. Just say it. I should say Santa. You have a better shot of seeing Santa than seeing 5K. Okay, I'll tell you that right now. If Bitcoin ever hits 5K, I will eat. I'll eat my own shit. Okay. I'll eat my own shit. All right. But anyways, a little bit of bearish div. Let's see if it plays out for BTC. Okay. Let's see if it plays out. But nonetheless. We are getting a decent bounce back up here. All right, we had bullish divergence on the bottom side here. We had some higher lows and lower lows come in. And we did bounce back up to the upside. So let's see what happens here. I do like what I see in the 4 hour. We got back above the 20 EMA, got back above the 55 EMA. So things aren't looking too shabby there in the 4 hour. Let's see where we close though. We gotta wait for the close, man. We gotta wait for the close. What's going? I don't want to eat my shit. So please, if there's any whales in there's any whales in here, please don't dump it below 5K, please. Just for me, man. Just for me. Well, Alex said that escalated quickly. It always does on the stream, man. I missed you guys. I did. All right, so let's go on the hourly real quick. So on the hourly time frame, we did break from this like symmetrical triangle that we're looking at the other day. We did break to the downside. There was a downside target of this from the swing high to the swing low. And we extrapolate that to the downside. We did have a target that was, where was it? So it was a little bit lower than we went. It was a target back down to 37,300. We knew that was a pretty critical area based off a bunch of different things. But we didn't make it all the way down there, okay? We actually got a bounce from about 38,500, and we bounced back up. So we're back above the 200 EMA on the hourly. That is good stuff. That's what you want to see, all right? Now, hourly might be a little bit toppy, so... But I'm not going to count on Bitcoin. You guys know when Bitcoin wants to pump, it's going to do it. Bitcoin does whatever it wants, when it wants, how it wants to do it.
Rant alert.
Let me get a quick rant alert in the chat. It does whatever it wants to do, okay? If Bitcoin wants to go hump a pole, it's going to go hump a pole. If Bitcoin wants to go lick a pole with ice on it, it's going to go lick a pole with ice on it. If Bitcoin wants to pump, it's going to pump, all right? Keep that in mind in the shorter term time frames. You got a better shot of seeing Santa than like I said, than trying to predict the Bitcoin short-term time frames. I don't care what anyone says, all right? Anyways, let's see what else we got. So we look at the 4 hour. I still think the 4 hours got some room to run. Obviously, you got the RSI here, only sitting at about a 59. So we could get a little bit higher here. I would think if we get a close above the 50 EMA, I would think that a test of the 200 EMA would make sense back up towards 42,250. So, you know, like I said, let's see where we close. We got 53 minutes until we close here. Well, let's see. Let's see. I didn't miss you folks, but I should have. You should have, man. You definitely should have. Let me get rid of that. Bullish on the Celtics net series. Yeah, I mean, that was what an awesome game one. What an awesome game one. Game two. I watched all of game one, by the way. Of course I did. What is game two? Hold on. I know you guys are watching me. We'll take a look at Bitcoin stuff. Don't worry. Celtics. Nets. I assume it would be tonight. Oh, God, it's not till Wednesday? What is this? God damn, it's not till Wednesday. Okay, never mind. It's not till Wednesday. Let's go to the daily, because the daily is what we should be worried about. Let's look at the daily time frame, guys. We got the wick below our big channel. We know everyone's talking about this bear flag. Everyone and their mother, everyone and their grandma.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
Okay, everyone and their grandpa. Jordan, how do I buy some Ethereum? I don't want to buy Bitcoin. It's too high in price. I can't afford that on my welfare. Jordan, how do I buy some Ethereum? All right, everyone was getting super bearish. Everyone's talking about this stupid bull flag, just like everyone asks when the price is high, how to buy it, right? So, oh my God, here comes copyright. But yeah, so everyone's talking about this bear flag. Listen, we're still in it. At the end of the day, it is still a bearish pattern, okay? Still a bearish pattern. And listen, if you look at the target of this, right? If we want to be realistic and say, all right, we did get a bounce off the bottom. It's still a bearish pattern, right? We look at the downside target to this, just to tell you what the downside target is. It's all the way back down around 23K. Now, remember that 23K level, okay? This is the bearish scenario, which I don't think is going to play out, but keep in mind, that is the target of this bigger macro pattern back down to 23K, okay? Like I said, I don't think we're going down to 23K, but keep that level in mind, all right? Don't ever use that face. He said don't ever use that face again. But anyways, we did get a bounce off this channel, right? We know every single time we've came back down to back test this yellow line here once, right? Twice, 3 times. We've gotten nice bounces to at least, not 2 out of 3 times. We got to bounce back up to the top, all right? We got to bounce back up here. We got to bounce back up here. We got to bounce back up here. That doesn't mean we're guaranteed for a bounce, but if you look at what Bitcoin's trying to do here, we are trying to create that typical W bottom, okay? Typical W bottom with a bullish engulfing candle on the daily, right? It's usually a pretty good recipe for a bounce, right? You got the one low, you come back up, make that second low, come back up, you know, and now you need to break that neckline. Let's break that neckline right at about 41,500. If we can get a daily close above that, that'll look pretty juicy. Not only that, but we did also bounce nicely off the golden pocket from our swing low back in January to our swing high that we just had in March. We did get a nice bounce off that golden pocket zone, okay? A very, very nice bounce off the golden pocket zone. So what do we think about that? What do we think about that? Oh, God, here comes Jabba. Here comes Jabba. God damn it. Jabba wants to talk to you guys. Hold on. Hey, guys. It's so good to see you. I heard a golden pocket and I thought Jordan was talking about French fries, but he's not. He's talking about Bitcoin's golden pocket. God darn it. Gosh darn it. Guys, I hope you guys got your shorts in. Bitcoin's going down to 5K. All right? Me and Savvy, we're on a fishing trip. Savvy came to Vegas with us. That's why he hasn't been streaming either. He's been streaming lately because Bitcoin's going down. But Savvy actually came fishing with us on Vegas. I just want to tell you guys about it. It was so fun. We opened up so many shorts. We caught so many fish. It was great. All right? That's all I had to say. I thought Jordan was talking about fries. But that's it, okay? I'm going to let you guys go. Hope the next time I see you, I'm not crying, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. See ya. See you guys. I love you. What am I going to do with this guy? And yes, Savvy did come to Vegas with us, okay? He did come to Vegas. Unfortunately, I didn't want to hang out with him. He's not the most fun guy to hang out with, okay? This is what you hear every single time from Savvy. What's going on, guys? It's Savvy. Hey, can I hang out with you guys? All right, awesome, thanks. Guys, Bitcoin's going to zero. Like, I know we're at a party right now. I know we're at a club. Look at us, we're at a club. Guys, Bitcoin's going to zero. I know we're supposed to be having fun, but Bitcoin's going to zero. Look at that girl over there. She's so hot. She's got a fat Elliott wave. I know she loves Elliott waves. She loves Elliott waves. And Savvy at a club. All right. All right, but yeah, I mean, you guys get the point. You guys get the point. Bitcoin's trying to make a bottom pattern here somewhat. If this doesn't hold, right? If the golden pocket doesn't hold for a bearish scenario, all right? From the bearish scenario, we could maybe expect a move back down to the 786. Move back down to the 786, which is back down at that like 37K level, which also would be this TLI, which we have 1 touch, 2 touches on the wicks, and maybe we expect a 3rd touch if this level does break. Okay, so those are the 2 scenarios. I'm still leaning on the bullish side. I know there's a lot of people flipping bearish. You got Bitboy flipping bearish. You got even like Ben Cowan's like going against his own theory a little bit here. And there's a lot of people flipping bearish right now, which I'm not gonna knock them for. Anyone can believe what they want to believe. At the end of the day, Bitcoin goes up and to the right over time. Does it matter if you're short-term bearish or short-term bullish? No. Okay. But at the end of the day, I'm not gonna be flipping bearish at support. That's what noobs do. Noobs flip bearish at support. So I'm not gonna do that. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. Do you know Savvy? Let's see. Savvy went to a club full of bears, but not the same, not the same as him. Oh God! All right, let's continue on. Nothing really to comment on this chart. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. All right, a little bit of hopium. All right, You guys saw the title of the stream. All right, do the bulls have any more hopium? Okay, besides George, do we have any more hopium? Well, let's see. All right, when moon? I don't know when moon, but here's the thing. A couple things here. If we actually look how long all right, so let me start out with this. On the weekly time frame, right? From our top back in April. Now, a lot of people think that this bounce, and I kind of agree with this. I don't think we were supposed to go to 69K in November. I don't think we were supposed to. I think this was supposed to probably be a lower low, but it ended up being a higher low, and it kind of messed up the whole thing here. But bear with me here, okay? Bear with me. If the April high was supposed to be the high, okay? In theory, was supposed to be the high, right? And you actually take from this week down to where we are right now. So we're approximately about 53 weeks. So give or take a year, a year and 1 week, right? 53 weeks. If you actually look back down at 2018, right? From the 2018 high to the absolute low, it took 52 weeks. It took 1 year, okay? You might be saying, Jordan, what does this mean? This doesn't mean crap. Well, let's take a look at the time before that, right? From our swing high to our swing low, took about 59 weeks. So you can see that, let's just say this. The last 2, I know you can't compare. I always say you can't compare previous markets to this market. It's a totally different market, blah, blah, blah. I actually think this would help our case in this scenario, but take it for what you will. You can see that it takes about, let's just say, an average of 55 weeks. All right. So take this for what you will. I'm not going to say we're going to moon and we're going to start some next bull market here. But if you take that for what it is, it seems like the market usually likes to take about a year from top to bottom to sort of either consolidate or to kind of find its bottom. Right. So take that for what you will. I thought that's kind of interesting. I don't know. I don't think we're going to go into a full-blown bull market right now. Okay, but at least what this shows me is we're on track, and it's totally normal to consolidate for this long. We actually prefer to consolidate than go down, to be honest. We went down a lot more in previous bear markets, but I think we're on track, man. I think we're on track. I don't think there's too much to worry about at the moment. We're still making higher lows. Let's chill out, okay?
Rant alert.
I'm seeing a lot of bearishness. Every time Bitcoin goes down, I'm seeing a lot of bearishness. Every time Bitcoin goes up, I'm seeing all the bulls come back, all right? Let's chill out. Let's stop flip-flopping every 2 seconds, okay? Just because Bitcoin came back down from 48K to 41K, I'm not going to be over here flipping bearish like you see all these other guys. Every time Bitcoin goes below 40K, they flip bearish, all right? Just to use Bitboy because he is the biggest channel in the interwebs, okay? Just to use him as an example, okay? Not calling him out, but just an example. The biggest channel in the interwebs. Guys, Bitcoin has came back down from 69K. If Bitcoin breaks below 40K, I am flipping bearish, okay? I am flipping bearish, okay? 2 weeks later. Guys, Bitcoin has dropped to 33K and is now back on its way up. I did not sell any of my portfolio, and now I am more bullish than I was a couple weeks ago. 2 weeks later. Guys, Bitcoin is going back up right now. I believe that we are possibly starting a new bull market, okay? We are definitely possibly starting a new bull market. Take that for what you is. My sources say we could go up from here. 2 weeks later. Guys, I do think we are officially in a bear market, okay? We are officially in a bear market. The ETH merge getting pushed back means we are officially in a bear market, okay? It is what it is, man. It is what it is. We are in a bear market, okay? We are totally in a bear market. We are in a bear market. 2 weeks from now, Bitcoin's back at 48K. I think we are now... Is it just me? I don't know, man. I don't know. All right? Listen. I'm not going to flip bearish right now. We're going to take a look at a few other things, all right? Macro time frame, right? Let's look at some facts. Clint is asking for facts. Let's look at some facts for Clint, all right? Weekly time frame. We're in a big falling wedge. We know these falling wedges are typically very, very bullish, especially for Bitcoin, all right? Now, this could still take some time to play out. What I basically mean, I don't think we can't go a little bit lower, but what I'm saying is macro, we're going back up, man. You got this macro falling wedge on the RSI. We know the RSI usually precedes price. It hasn't broken out yet. We're still in it, okay? We've made 4 highs, and 4 lows on this. Give it some time, okay? Give it some time. This will result in a break to the upside like falling wedges typically do, all right? Let's continue on here. Now, we know that some of our indicators are flipping bearish. We know everyone and their mother's talking about the stupid blood diamond, okay, on the stupid weekly chart. Guys, it's a freaking indicator. This is the first time it's ever happened. Everyone's acting like it's the end of the freaking world because we got a stupid blood diamond on the stupid weekly chart and stupid market cipher. It does not mean crap. Just like Bitboy's 23-hour green dot at the time didn't mean crap and we dumped lower. It doesn't mean shit.
Rant alert.
Okay? Especially when Bitboy and a bunch of people are talking about it. If everyone's talking about it, it doesn't mean shit.
Rant alert.
It's too obvious. If you got all the biggest channels talking about one friggin' indicator, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. That's too obvious, man. I'm not going to too much account into that because everyone's talking about it. If everyone wasn't talking about it, then I would put more into account. But it doesn't mean shit.
Rant alert.
Okay? Oh my God. Anyways, let's continue on. What Crypto2 said, someone on YouTube actually said it will be between 24K and 100K. It's 24K and 100K. Oh God, someone said that? Oh, that's funny, man. That's funny, dude. Now I'm picturing someone's channel like this. This is how I'm picturing someone's channel. A crypto guru. Ready, guys? Ready for the crypto guru? Here we go. Guys, welcome to today's video. Okay? I am the crypto guru. I believe that Bitcoin is going to hit, okay? In the end of 2021, Bitcoin will be between 24K and 100K based on my analytics. Okay, guys? Yes, between 24K and 100K. That is where we will be, okay? That is based off all my advanced analytics, all my charts, all my fractals, between 24K and 100K. Oh, how useful is that? I don't believe that someone actually said that. That's pretty bad, man. That's pretty bad. I don't know if I actually believe someone would say that. That's so unhelpful. But anyways, let's see this. I'm bullish on this. But yeah, I mean, listen. Before I went on vacation, we had the MACD flip. All right, on the weekly MACD flip, we had the weekly market cipher flip, and we had the stock RSI topped out. We had everything we wanted to see. Now, I know everyone's going to start to say, "Oh, everything's starting to flip back." All right, well, I'll say this. If Bitcoin can recover a little bit this week, which it's trying to right now, right? It's early in the week, but we have a small green candle starting to form here in the weekly. If Bitcoin can come a little bit higher in the weekly, all right, market cipher should be fine, all right? This should flip back, all right? MACD should hold in the bullish territory, all right? So, like a lot of these times, we got to wait till the closes, man. A lot of people get super, super frustrated on Mondays and Tuesdays before the week even gets close to over, and the week can just flip so fast, okay? So let's see where we close this week. But I think right now it's all good, man. It's all good. Let's chill. Let's chill. Another thing, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. This is basically the MA extension that I typically look at with you guys. This shows that we could come a little bit lower, below the 20-week EMA, but I don't. I don't really think this can go. This can't go too much lower based off this, right? I mean, we can go look at the past. You guys watch my channel forever. You guys are probably sick of hearing about this, but you know, every time this bottoms out, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, we do find a macro low. So yes, could this show we could go a little bit lower technically? Yes, it does show that, but I don't think we have too much lower to go, man. So let's take a chill pill. Let's do some coma stop, okay? And just remember that while we're in this game, man. And so at the long-term mindset, chill. All right, I know everyone's sick of hearing about DCA, but what a lot of people don't remember, what we just looked at earlier, man, is usually from the tops to the bottoms, it takes about a year to find the bottom, okay? We just hit 53 weeks, okay, from our April top to now, okay? On average, that's what it takes. On average, it takes 55 weeks. We just hit 53 weeks. Let's chill, man. Let's chill. Continue to just stay in the game, man. And I don't mean to sound like George, but a lot of times I agree with him, man. The longer you're in crypto, the higher chance you have of making money. It's just a matter of patience. And I know a lot of people hate to say that, and I'm not going to sit here and act like some trading guru. You know why? Because a lot of these trading gurus aren't really gurus, man. They're not. And I always tell you guys this. I think trading, you know, some people can make money in trading, but I think the way to make money in crypto is just staying in the game, chilling, okay? Take a chill pill. We will go up eventually based off history, okay? But it's just a matter of the longer you're... What's the saying? What's the popular saying, guys? The popular saying is time in the game beats... time in the market beats time in the market. That's what it is. I had to think about it for a second. But just chill out, man. Ross said, I love volatility. Nice. All right. Let's see what else here. I know kind of Ben Cowan's going away from his extended cycle. I mean, I think he still believes in it, but he's kind of acting a little shady against it too. He's not pushing it as much as he was before. But listen, man, I still think we could top out sometime this year. Now, you know, I know everyone's talking about a recession later this year. You know, I've heard like November, December, end of this year. Does anyone really know what's going to happen? No. If everyone knows when it's going to happen, it's probably not going to happen at that time. So it could happen sooner than that, later than that. Listen, I'm not a macroeconomist. I'm not going to sit here and act like a macroeconomist. No one really knows. Even the macroeconomists don't know. So keep that for what you will. But, you know, everyone's predicting this recession. In my opinion, you know, I think it's due at some point. But I would like to see Bitcoin go up sooner rather than later. I think the longer it takes, the more sketchy it looks going into later this year. And then we might have to wait to the halving, but that's obviously just a thought of mine. I would prefer Bitcoin to go up in the next couple months and not wait to the end of this year. But let's see what happens, man. I'm not a macroeconomist. No one knows, said BLNG. Yeah, exactly. I'm not going to sit up here and act like I know, because no one knows. Everyone will sit there and act like they know, but they don't. Chris said, no way it happens near an election. And everyone calls it for every year, man. You know, who knows, man. Pelagic said, so much hopium. Hey, man, we got more hopium, okay? Today's hopium day, because I've seen a lot of negativity in the space. So when I see a lot of negativity in the space, like I did earlier today, it got a little better after Bitcoin pumped up, but I saw so much negativity in the space. So, you know, I had to come out with a hopium video, man. It's not so much hopium. At the end of the day, we're still in a bearish pattern. Like, you know, take it for what you will, but we'll go back to that in a second, guys. We'll go back to that in a second. Let's finish this. So the monthly moving average, 12-month monthly moving average. This is one that we've looked at forever on this channel. We haven't looked at it in a while because we've kind of been hovering above it for a while. At least the whole month of March, we kind of hovered above it. But the 12-month moving average is a moving average that we have held. And the only time we break it, every time we break the 12-month moving average on a monthly close, we get a significant drop, right? March of 2020, after we broke the 12-month moving average, we got a drop of, let's see, we got a drop about 50%, right? When we broke it here back in 2018, from the time we broke it to the bottom, we went down, once again, about 40%, right? And then all the way back here, back right here, We broke it right here back in September 2014. We went on to drop about 60%. I think those are the only times we broke below it, technically. Yeah, those are the only times we broke below it before it actually came relevant. So we're still holding it right now. We're hovering pretty close to it. You guys can see right here, we keep kind of bouncing off of it, right? We had a wick below it, closed above it. Wick below it, closed above it. Wick below it, closed above it. We actually wicked right to that earlier this month. We actually wicked down to it today, actually, which is pretty funny. But we're still holding above it. So I think going into April, let's see what happens. But I would like to hold that. I would like to hold that. What's up, Oh? What's up, Oh? Clint said, a recession coming to you whenever you don't expect it. Facts, Clint. It's always when you don't expect it, man. Let's see. Bathwater, DXY was at historic lows in 2018 and went up all year while we bared. DXY at historic highs right now already. Oh, we're getting to the DXY. We're going to look at the DXY. We're looking at Tether dominance. I'm going to show you guys why listen, I can't get... It's not even just Bitcoin. It's a lot of the macro stuff, which people don't like to talk about. Everyone likes to just focus on the Bitcoin charts. But at the end of the day, that's not all what matters, right? Let's just jump onto that. Let's just jump on into that because... You know, there's a lot of stuff going on. We're going to have all the pencil necks come in. You know, they like to just look at Bitcoin. They don't like to look at other stuff. I get it. Look, I don't want to look at the DXY. I just want to look at Bitcoin. I've looked at Bitcoin charts all day. Let's not look at something relevant. I don't want to look at the DXY. I don't want to look at Tether dominance. Screw this macro stuff. I'm going to watch Frankie Candles. Screw this. I'm going to watch the guy who talks about market cipher the whole time. See ya. Screw this, man. All right, but anyways, DXY. All right, now this didn't play out the way we wanted it to. All right, the DXY broke one touch, two touches. You got a big wick up here in 2018. I'll say this: we didn't want to get a weekly close or a monthly close above this resistance line, and we got both. We got a weekly close and a monthly close. Right? We know this started the 2017 bull market. This started the 2020 bull market. And we smashed above it. We were hoping that this was going to start the next run to the upside. We didn't quite get that, right? Option number 2 was if this did get a break, we would go up and test this next level, which is about 103 on the DXY. So, listen, man. Can Bitcoin still go up with the DXY going up? It can, right? It can. And they generally are inversely correlated, but you do want, in theory, okay, you do want the DXY coming down, typically. But the DXY can go up with Bitcoin still going up a little bit, okay? It's not perfect, right? In 2016, the DXY was coming up here, and Bitcoin was still going up in 2016, right? So it's not a perfect thing, but this is the level I'm looking at here. It's about 103 for the DXY to reverse. Okay, that would be good for crypto. That's where we kind of got a weekly close back in 2017. That's where we got a wick back up in March of 2020. So it's got a little work to do here. Could have a couple more weeks of bullish action on the DXY, but that's where I'm looking at next on that. Let's get into it, boss. Your impression of Bitboy kills me. Yeah, man, it is. Stop making fun of Bitboy. He's my boss. I do whatever he tells me to do. Stop making fun of Bitboy. Stop. He's bearish, okay? Who gives a crap? I'm TJ. I'm bearish too now. Yes, I do whatever Bitboy says. I'm bearish too. I've never disagreed with Bitboy. Oh, I love it too much. I love clowning them. But yeah, 100.8. Tether dominance. Now this is the one that gets me a little bullish here, okay? Since 2020, Tether dominance, I mean, this is the high that Tether dominance has ever been, right? Since 2020, Tether dominance has got rejected right at this like 5% mark 3 times, okay? 3 times. Let's see. Just move the line up right here. So September of 2020, right here. This is when Bitcoin obviously went on its major run. You guys know the 2020 run started in September of 2020, went on until about April. So September of 2020 to May of 2021, right here. Okay, so that was one run. And then we had the summertime, right? In July, we had the B-Word conference all the way to the end of November, right? Where we just had our most recent top at 69K. That was the second run, right? You can see right now we're at that same level where we got rejected. We've already got a couple wicks above, all right? But we're at that relative same level. So I think if there was ever a time for us to try to predict whether Tether dominance was going to go down, it would be right around this level, okay? Could we still go a little bit higher? Yes, you can have some wicks higher. You had wicks above it here, but generally we haven't got to close above this red box. So, you know, if there ever was a level to get rejected, this would be somewhere around this area. And the hope would be, based on the two previous times, that this would come back down, back to the bottom, and Bitcoin would go on, you know, I'm not talking Bitcoin going to 100K or anything, but at least go on a little bit of a run, right? That's sort of a little bit more of hopium here, okay? I'm trying to give some hopium today. I'm trying to be a little bit positive today. Everyone's kind of negative. You got Crypto Face making bearish videos. You got Bitboy making bearish videos. You got a bunch of other guys making bearish videos, okay? I'm trying to stay relatively positive because I'm a long-term guy, but this is some hopium, right? I mean, based off the two previous times. So let's see if Tether dominance comes down, but generally speaking, I like where that's sitting, right? I like where that's sitting. Now, if this breaks, oh, God. I don't want to know what happens if that breaks, man. I think even George would have a meltdown. I am George. We're all George. Shit, I ran out of whiskey. Tether dominance broke to the upside. Shit. What do I talk about today? Oh, God. What do I talk about? Oh, let's just talk about this today. Oh, all right, guys. Today, we're going to talk about how Kevin O'Leary in 2017 was super bearish. And today, he just said that Bitcoin will become the reserve currency of the earth. Okay, so the fundamentals on Bitcoin have never been better. Okay, in 2017, he said it isn't a currency. It's just too volatile for that. And today, he said Bitcoin will become the reserve currency of the earth. So we are very bullish. You know, keep that for what you will. The big players are staying in the space, man. They're staying in the space. So take that for what you will. Take that for what you will. No, but guys, in all seriousness, we don't want to see that break on Tether dominance. But I thought this was pretty interesting. This guy said right here, I remember, they didn't change their minds, only the size of their positions. RIP to the one that sold to them. Very true, man. Slowly but surely, these rich guys are coming around for crypto. So don't be the guy who sells them their coins, man, because I'm telling you right now, at some point, okay, the rich guys will all want crypto, slowly but surely. I mean, you're seeing it. look at all the billionaires that are getting into crypto over the last couple of years, man. Just look at it. I'm not going to name them all. You guys can look at it yourselves, right? Whether it's Elon, whether it's Kevin O'Leary, whether it's Mark Cuban. I can go on and on. I'm not going to name them all. You guys know all these guys, but slowly but surely they're all going to come in. So don't be the guy who sells them your coins, okay? Just to give you guys a little bit of hopium too. George will hodl a drop at McDonald's. True. My bad, guys. George, my bad, man. George said, I missed you, man. Happy Easter, bro. TA on GALA, please. They have to have one more pump this cycle. We'll check out GALA. We'll check out GALA real quick for George. My bad, George. I just saw that. By the way, quick pick pump song for Luna. Luna up 16%. What I will say is a little bit of hopium too. Last time Luna started to pump up, it started to pump up before Bitcoin did. And Luna kind of started the rally last time. So Luna's up 16%. Is it a precursor to what's to come? Let's have a quick pump song for GALA here. All right, Luna, my bad. Let's see what happens, man. Look at the enthusiasm in the chat, man. Holy moly. No enthusiasts. Bitcoin's at 41K. People are acting like Bitcoin's at 20K. It happens every single time, man. People lose perspective on where Bitcoin actually is in the grand scheme of things. All right, so that's Luna. Let's go look at, wait, what was it, GALA? GALA. See what happens with GALA, man. I know a lot of people are like, GALA is the worst performing coin in my portfolio. Someone said that earlier in the chat. I forget, was it Mike? I think it was Mike in the chat. Let's see. So GALA. No hype. True. What song is that? It's called, shit, I forget what it's called. Oh, it's called Rewind by O'Shane. That's what it's called. O'Shane. 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 Sorry if there's Shanes in the chat. I know there's a few Shanes in here. I don't mean to, I'm probably going to be in your nightmares now. Oh, Shane. Don't dream about me too much, Shanes. But, yeah, GALA. What's going on with GALA? Do we have any hopium on GALA? Any chance of this going back up? Let's see. Let's see. I mean, let's get rid of this. Let's take a swing low to swing high. Let's start with the fibs. The little fibs. The fibs. Oh, God. Here we go with the lisp. Swing high to swing low to swing high. We already broke all our Fibonacci, so that's not very helpful, right? Let's see what else we got here. I would say, you know, if anything, we want to see here, it's very similar to what we had earlier, is these macro wedge formations. We actually had these for other altcoins, but GALA never broke out, right? We know a lot of these other altcoins broke out right around this level, right around this area right here back in March. GALA never did. And it actually got rejected. It had a swift move back down. So now it's at the bottom of this wedge again. The question is, will it bounce? All right. What I'll say about this is, let's see if you have any bullish divergence. No bullish divergence. Daily stocks are bottomed out. All right. If you look at the last couple times, daily stocks have been bottomed out. Has resulted in at least a minor move to the upside. You had a bottom right here, move up to the upside. You had a bottom right here, move up to the upside. So I think right now, as long as Bitcoin doesn't poop the bed, which I don't think it is right at support, right? It was looking at a little W, right? 1, 2, 3, wick to the downside. You had some good buy pressure coming in right there. Daily stocks are bottomed out. Probably expect to move back up to at least test the top of this. At least right now. That's what I expect for Bitcoin, and I would expect the altcoins to follow. GALA's kind of been lagging a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. GALA was one of the best performers in 2021. So I'm not worried about it. But I think long term, I think this has a move back up to this golden pocket range. Back up to 37 cents. I think this is just a blip. It's a blip right now, man. A little blip. But I think GALA will recover, at least back up to the top of the range here. Back up towards about 23 cents or so. That's what I see for GALA, man. Let's see. Change your channel name to Hopium Crypto. Hey, man. Someone needs to do it. Bosnian said, hey, Jordan, can you look at Luna and Sol? We can look at Luna and Sol, man. What's BTC doing? BTC just chilling at 40,750. Sip, sip, sip. The circles don't lie. Robert, don't get me started about the fib circles, man. I haven't watched him in like a week, so I don't know what he's been saying. But I'm sure he's jerking himself off right now. I'm sure you watch Optic Alerts videos right now. All you hear is this. I'm sure that's all you hear right now. Okay? Him and his damn fib circles, man. All right, let me. I'm a little blurry right now after jerking off. Sorry. There we go. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? Sorry, guys. I turned into a crab real quick. Fed will eliminate student loans or some crap. Creative printed money. Probably, man. Who knows? All right, let's continue on. So we got 18 minutes until the daily close, guys. 18 minutes until thy daily close. Let's see what happens. We're still below the 50. I want to get a close back above the 50 on the 4-hour, man. He's making pudding. Let's see. It was Don Lemon. He's making pudding. All right, so we looked at Luna earlier. I mean, there's some altcoins doing some stuff, man, which is good. Looked at Luna. Luna is obviously, we talked about Luna. We didn't really talk about it, but what I want to see for Luna, I mean, Luna looks juicy, man. And what I will say is last time Luna started to go up, which was February 21st, Okay, usually altcoins follow Bitcoin. Luna started going up on February 21st. All right, last time, where was Bitcoin on February 21st? February 21st, Bitcoin was actually still going down. You guys can see right here. Bitcoin was still going down. It really didn't start really going up until about February 24th. Luna started going up before Bitcoin did. All right, so the reason I say that is because I know there's a lot of hype around Luna right now. You know, can Luna lead another rally to the upside? I mean, I'm not going to count it out because it's been absolutely killing it. So you have the previous swing high right there at about 89.80. So I want to see that broken. I want to see that broken on a close. We're getting up to it, right? Luna's up about 16% on the freaking day. That's nuts, man. That's nuts. Nuts.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
But yeah, I mean, we get back above that. Be a nice W to the reversal to the upside. You just want to break that neckline, man. You break that neckline, you are looking pretty Gucci there on Luna. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour still has room to run. I'm not too worried about the 4 hour there. But yeah, I mean, Luna looks good, man. It's tough to do TA and something that's up 16%. You just want to break back above the previous low. It's a very important level looking left, too. You got previous support there, previous highs. Very big level looking left. So let's see if we can get back above 90. Get back above that. Looking juicy, man. Looking juicy for Luna. Harmony 1 looking pretty good, too. About 7% on the day. Another one that's coming up and testing that previous high. Right there. You want to see Harmony get back above 12.6. That's another one that's kind of creating that W reversal bottom too. You want to see it get back above 12.6 though, right? You get the one low, come back up, second low. Let's break that neckline. That's another one that's got room to run on the 4 hour. And the measure move, if that would break out, which we haven't broken out yet, guys, so let's chill. Let's chill out until we break it. Would be up towards 14.2, right? So another one that's trying to break it. Like I said, Bitcoin's right at support, so let's see what Bitcoin does first. Luna been buying Bitcoin? True. Bathwater said bearish Bitcoin narrative is good for Luna. It is good for Luna, man. It is good for Luna. Oh, let's check this poll out. So I put a poll out that said, did you flip bearish at support again? 63% said no. 37% said yes. At least 37% are pretty honest. I will say that. I will say that. Let me ask the chat. Guys in the chat. All right. First of all, like the video up. Let's get this back. We're gone for, 9 days. If you like the video, helps out the stream, get pushed back out to everyone else. All right. Also in the chat, let me know. Okay. Let me know in the chat if you guys are bullish or bearish. All right. Short term for the next month. Are you guys bullish or bearish on the Bitcoin price? Do you think it's going to be higher or lower than it is now? Right? For the next month, are you bullish or bearish on the Bitcoin price? I just want to know short term. I'm sure everyone who's here is slightly bullish long term, but short term, where are you? Where are you at? Where are you at? Crypto winter is coming, man. Nice. Nice. Hope you guys had a fantastic Monday, by the way. We're just chilling. We're chilling. Bitcoin with a nice bounce. Holy crap, Luna's going nuts, man. Luna's going nuts right now. Look at Luna. There it is. Broke 89.96. Let's go, baby. 90.69 for Luna. I got you on Soul too, Bosnian boy. But yeah, Luna's trying to come back up. 17.55 for Luna on the day. Looking pretty juicy there. Can you get a 20% day on a top 10? Oh, that's tough to do, man. 20% is a lot of money coming into something. So that's a pretty good day for Luna. Not pretty good day. It's a really good day, I must say. Solana. Let's see Solana, man.
Can you check Harmony 1, please?
Bearish unless we break 48K. Hey, man. You can't get out of bed. I'm out of bed. You know, I'm not gonna flip bearish just because we went down. I'm not gonna do it, man. I'm not gonna be like everyone else. Just because we go down, you flip bearish. When you go up, you flip bullish. When you go down, you flip bearish. I'm not gonna be like everyone else, man. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna be that guy. You know, and I'm actually not bearish right now. I mean, something we didn't talk about earlier, guys. Before we go back to Sol, we actually did this last summer, and I think, you know, we look at the Ichimoku cloud here on the daily time frame. We did this last summer. You guys remember when we were in the summertime, we broke up here. Obviously, we went higher than we did this time. Well, we came all the way back down. I remember last summer, everyone was looking at this level right here. Right here. And I remember I was like, all right, if we break this, we're screwed, man. We're screwed if we break this. And we did. Like, we didn't want to break it. I remember it was like 41.5, 42K. I remember Bitcoin went all the way down to like 39K, and everyone was super bearish. You guys remember that last summer? Right? And we actually bounced off the bottom of the daily Ichimoku cloud when we did get that pullback. We're kind of doing the same thing right now. And, you know, no one wanted to break down below about 44K. Obviously, we came down a lot further than we did last summer. But we're still holding that daily Ichimoku cloud right here, right? With bullish divergence on the daily still, right? Lower lows on the stock RSI, lower lows on MACD, and higher lows in price action with bullish divergence. So, listen, man, I'm not going to flip bearish like everyone else. Everyone's looking at that stupid blood diamond.
Rant alert.
Okay? I'm not going to do it, man. The bearish sentiment made me buy more and open some longs. Yeah, dude, especially when Bitboy is bearish, you gotta be bullish, man. You gotta be bullish. All right, so Solana is coming back up too. This is still in this channel, you know, in the grand scheme of things. So we want to get back above that. You'll see a lot of these cryptos are in these falling channels right now, which is interesting. It's better than a rising channel, at least on the 4 hour. Because that would be a bear flag, right, if it was rising. But this one's sort of just coming back down in the channel. So we want to see if this one still has some room to run on the 4 hour, right? 4 hour RSI has room to run. 4 hour stock RSI still has room to run. Last 2 times you topped was when the 4 hour stock RSI was topped out. So this still got room to run for me. This one, I see this one coming back, at least in testing the top here. A little bit higher. Not a huge move, but I see Solana still coming up another like 2.5%. Back up to the top of that channel, which is back up to right around 105 at the very, very least. And we'll see what we do from there. Something tells me we probably will have a little bit of bearish divergence if that does happen. So keep that in mind. We'll probably have slightly higher highs on the RSI, lower highs than price action. So keep that in mind when we do get up to that level. But, you know, I think Solana is another one that I think is fine here long term. It's just you need Bitcoin to bounce back up. You know, daily time frame on Solana. Let's see. On Selena. On old little Selena. Selena. Makes you think of Selena Gomez when I say Selena. It's kind of weird. Let's go down here. Right at the golden pocket. Another bounce off the golden pocket zone. You got to love the golden pockets, man. Right here. So Bitcoin bounced off the golden pocket. Solana also trying to find some support here at the golden pocket zone. So daily stocks have been bottomed out here for a while. Last time it was, that resulted in a macro bottom here for Solana. And a move to 78 all the way up to 143. So it doesn't have to happen that way, right? There's times that it doesn't. But, you know, I like where it's at, golden pocket. I like where it's at in the daily. You just need Bitcoin to behave a little bit. Oh, behave. Just a little bit, Bitcoin. Just a little bit. But I think this gets a bounce. You know, I think it gets a bounce. So I think Bitcoin bounces. So we'll see. What's up? Oh. Sahil saying, can you check Harmony 1? I got you, Sahil, on Harmony 1. There's a brown eye in the 4 hour. Like, oh, God, these names, man. Guys,
Hey boss, I remember you talking shit
there is
about
a
XMR.
brown piece of shit on the 3 hour chart. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, there's a brown piece of shit. Let's see. Holy moly. Let's see if we can see it here. I think it's right here, man. Holy crap. Do you guys see the brown piece of shit in the 4 hour? I think this is more bullish than the blood diamond on the weekly. Holy moly, it's a bullish signal. We're going up. We are going up. Look at this lamb pellet. Boom! To the upside. I'd put more precedence on this than I do the blood diamonds on the weekly. I really, really do. I think the blood diamond on the weekly is bullish. Holy crap, man. Brown piece of shit. All right, but anyways, let's go back over here. We saw the brown hole. The brown hole. Oh, God, man. You gotta love it. I honestly think that I'm happy we got the blood diamond. You know why? Because that's going to make everyone super bearish. And it already has. You guys can see everyone's talking about this stupid thing. It's making everyone bearish, and that makes me more bullish, man. It does. It does. I'm going to be honest. It does. Because if it didn't happen, everyone would be like, oh, we avoided the blood diamond.
Rant alert.
We avoided the blood diamond. We are bullish. But since it happened, and it's confirmed, it's awesome. I love it. Because now everyone's bearish. And we need people to flip bearish for us to get bullish, man. We do. We do. We need more people being bearish. And the fact that you got the biggest channel on the interwebs flipping bearish. It's a good start. It's a good start. We need a few more of them flipping bearish, but it's a good start here. It's a very, very good start. Baby Ruth. Everyone's stripping over the blood diamond. It is true. All right, Harmony 1. We looked at Harmony 1 a little bit earlier. I'll go over it again. I mean, it's not too much. You just want to break back above the previous swing highs. So when it comes back down to really down here, right? Oh, excuse me. I'm burping on stream. It's better than farting, I guess. Oh, you gotta lift that one cheek. No, but 8%. 8% on Harmony. Luna continues to go off, too, up 18%. Luna up about 8. I mean, Harmony up about 8%, too. So that's pretty good. For Harmony here on the daily, want to get back above the previous swing high. That's a perfect W. It's a perfect W reversal. It's what you want to see, man. You got the lows come back up. Market makers come back down. Oh, this is brown. Let me get off this. Let's go to yellow. It's a little bit more visible than the brown. We come back up. Now you want to break back above that neckline at 12.6. You're sitting right below it here. Right below it. So we want to see it close above that. We close above that. Measure move of that is back up to the next previous swing high. You know, funny enough, at 14.2. So daily's not looking too bad. Daily bullish engulfing. W reversal. Right at support are the previous swing lows. It's quite beautiful if you ask me. Now we just want to see continuation going into tomorrow, which I think we will. Where's the 4 hour at for Bitcoin? All right, Vikings. Where's my Vikings at? Where do we want to close for BTC here? Are we at any significant level? Hold on. No, we're still below. All right, Vikings. Vikings. Okay? I need all my Vikings in the chat. Vikings, assemble! I need everyone to spam the swords, spam the shields, and bring a snack. Because this is going to be a long war that we have to fight back against the bears. Today, we want to get a 4 hour close above the mere 50 EMA on the 4 hour. So let's fight. Let's push them back and take the land that is rightfully ours. If you guys are new to the stream, simply type swords in the chat. Spam it like you never spammed before. We must fight back and we must take what is rightfully ours. Because Savvy, Jabba have stolen everything from us. But we will win in the end. We will. From these stupid bears like Robert Harrell. Optic alert. I'm done. But anyways, let's get a close above the 50 EMA here. That's something we can fight for here in the next 3 minutes here. The next 3 minutes. That's sitting at 40,763. We are slightly above it. I'd like to get a little higher than that, but you know, take it for what you will. We'll take it. Swords in the chat. Swords in the chat. He actually typed in swords in the chat. That's too funny, man. I love it. I love it, though. I love it. I love seeing the enthusiasm in the chat, man. That's my favorite thing. Nothing makes me happier than seeing enthusiasm in the chat, okay? I try to bring you guys enthusiasm here as much as I can, you know? Even during gloomy days. Like, today was pretty gloomy earlier. It's pretty gloomy. Bitcoin bounced up pretty nicely today, but it was gloomy earlier, man. Let me tell you. Twitter was depressed. Checked Reddit a little bit. Reddit was a little bit depressed. It was bad, man. But, you know, we come in with the haymakers. That's what we do. All right, so we looked at Harmony. Let's see. Hey, boss, I remember you talking shib in Vegas about XMR. Oh, God, Monero. There we go, about Monero. I just hate all the dinosaur coins. You know? EOS, Litecoin. I guess ETH Classic kind of is stupid. I like ETH Classic because it's the Robinhood. It's the Robinhood meme coin. That's why. But XMR up big today. I have to give a pump song for XMR. Okay, as much as I don't want to, I have to do it, man. Let me take off this damn Viking helmet. It's pretty sweaty in here. Oh God, Mike, can you get me a towel? Sweaty as shit. But yeah, XMR pretty good today. What's up, bro? It's been a while. What's up, Lewis? What up? I see a lot of people back today. Someone typed enthusiasm in the chat. You're too funny, man. You guys are too funny sometimes. You have some good sense of humors. Let me tell you. If you watch me every day, you have to have a good sense of humor because I am weird, man. I am very, very weird. But what was I gonna say? Shit, what was I gonna say? I'm seeing a lot of names I haven't seen in a long time. Is there a reason for that today? Why is everyone coming back today? It's weird. It's really, really weird. But yeah, let's see, 266 on Monero. Nice pump, man. Nice little pump on Monero. I don't know what these levels are. I don't think I've looked at Monero in months, so let's get rid of those. Let's take our moon soon. The moon. I think we're going to the moon soon. All right. So we did get a wick. Actually, let's take down here. We did get a wick right to that 382 Fibby. 382 Fibonacci.
Can you check Ren?
So, I mean, this looks fine to me. This looks pretty good. Daily has no bearish divergence, still has room to run. Daily stocks still have room to run. I'm sure the 4 hours is going to be a little cooked. Yeah, 4 hours getting slightly cooked, but no bearish div. That's the best part of that. So, does this have a little bit more room to run? I think it does. I think it does. I think you can go a little bit higher here, but just be careful here because the 4 hours looking a little bit. I know, Dan. I know you're not really a trader, but you know, for the traders, just be careful. This is slightly overbought. You have a little bearish div on the hourly, so this could come down a little bit short term. But on the daily, this looks like it has plenty of room to run. If this wants to run higher, it definitely can on the daily. Just be careful in the short term time frames. It could get a slight pullback. But you know, if you're just looking at the next levels, when this does break, which I think it does, I think Bitcoin breaks. Next levels, the next previous high is 296. Monero not looking too bad. Not looking too shabby, I might say. Maybe I have to pick up some Monero. Maybe I have to FOMO into some Monero, man. You know? I might have to do it. Someone get Jordan a Truly? I don't need a Truly right now, man. Those Trulies make me bloated, man. They mess up my stomach. Let me tell you. Let me freaking tell you. What's up, Freeloaded? All right. So we got the. All right, here we go. We got the 50 EMA close or 50 EMA close in the 4 hour. We closed above it. Let's see if we can get some follow through here. Let's get it. Pump song. Let's do this one. Matt Wilson, I thought Jordan quit streaming. No, man. I went on vacation. Man. And I told you guys the other day, all right, I had to switch hotels, and the hotel I had to switch to did not have the best internet. So I was planning on streaming. I brought all my stuff, but I had to switch hotels, and yeah. Let's just say that, man. It was an interesting start to the vacation. Very, very interesting start, man. It was definitely weird. Definitely very, very weird. But, yeah, 40,805. Let's see if we can continue up here. Like I said, I would like to get a little bit higher, but, you know, I'll take that close. I'll take that close. We confirm the daily bullish engulfing candle, which, and daily bullish engulfing candles, I actually look for a engulfing candle above the previous 2 candles, which we did, right? We got 1, 2 candles here. We closed above those previous 2. To me, that is a clean daily bullish engulfing candle. Okay, nice wick on the bottom side, showing buy pressure coming in there. Let's see if we can get some follow through now. Ultimately, we want to get back above the neckline here at 41.5 for the W reversal, but hey, not too shabby, man. Not too shabby. Right off support. Everyone flip bearish, right at support again. Happens every single time, man. Everyone flips bearish. Everyone flips bearish. Everyone flips bearish. Everyone flips bearish. Happens every single time. Every single time like clockwork. So let's see if we do what we've done the last 3 times, which is get a pretty nice bounce to the upside. Smallest bounce was, 30% to the upside. So let's see if it happens again, man. I'm not going to count against the short-term history here. So let's see. Let's see. A lot of engulfing candles at the Mirage. A lot of engulfing candles. Banned from the Bellagio. Clint said, nothing indicating a pump song but your own hopium. Come on, Clint. Clint, you're funny. Clint, I'm so happy I follow Clint on Twitter because Clint goes nuts against people on Twitter. Clint is a bigger troll on Twitter than I am. And I'm a pretty big troll on Twitter. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I am a huge troll. Clint is a troll, man. Clint was trolling, what's his name? Clint was trolling someone hard on Twitter the other day. Like this one guy. Oh, it was, I forget. Clint, who were you trolling the other day, man? It was hilarious. I was dying laughing. It was while I was in Vegas. All right, let's see. Jasmine up for a Bandito. Check out Jasmine. Jasmine. Let's see. Jasmine. Oh, God, man. Jasmine. It's coming down. Jasmine has not gotten that bounce. Let me tell you. That the other ones have. Holy moly, man. Holy majoli. Jasmine. Let's take the swing lows to the swing highs. And see. Let's see here, man. So, we came back down to the 786. Clint Trollwood. We came back down slightly. Actually, we already kind of broke the 786 fib. We already broke it. That's, Jasmine kind of looks like doo-doo. Looks like big doo-doo. You want to see this level hold, though. I mean, at the previous swing highs, you're trying to flip it as support, but you kind of already broke the 786 fibby. You know what I mean? What's up, Drew? Drew, why are you so late, man?
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
But, no, any case, you want to see this level hold. You know what I mean? You could say that daily stocks are bottomed out, but they've been bottomed out since NAM. You know what I mean? Since all the way back here. So, you know, and it just keeps going down. I can't get bullish on this. Everything else is balanced, and Jasmine just keeps going down. I don't know. It's tough for me to get bullish on this thing. No bullish div. You're below all your fib targets. Say the last level you're looking at is here. If this breaks, oh, geez, you're probably coming back down to the lows. You know what I mean? So, watch this. I mean, the 4 hours, I don't know if the 4 hours is going to tell you much here. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Put his ass in timeout for 24 hours. Oh, God, that's funny. But, yeah, I mean, not really bullish div here on the 4 hours. It's not really telling you too much, man. I'm not too confident on this slight bounce back here on Jasmine. Not confident on that at all. Still below your EMAs. You got work to do. You got some serious work to do. And the short term, let's get back over the previous swing highs. Try to work on some type of W reversal. You got to get back above 2 cents, though. But, yeah, Jasmine looks poopy. Looks kind of poopy to me. I'm drinking coffee, by the way, guys. I'm not drinking Trulies. Let's see. It's hanging on for deal life, waiting for BTC. I hope it does. I hope it does for everyone that's holding Jasmine. Who holds Jasmine? Who's holding Jasmine in the chat? Let me know. Ren, I am not. You guys, I will know. I'll tell you guys if I was. I'm not holding Jasmine. I'm holding Pussy. That's probably down a lot. Let me see. Let me see where Pussy is. Let's see. YouTube, I'm talking about the coin, not that. Here we go. Where's Pussy at? Oh, God, man. My meme coin. R.I.P. R.I.P. to Pussy. What are you gonna do, man? You win some, you lose some. You can't get all the pussy, man. You can't get all of it. Only some of it. Alright, I'm out of here. Alright, 40,915. I want to see Bitcoin hit 41K on stream today, man. I really, really do. Alright, let's see Ren. Ren token. What about Spank Chain? You check out Spank Chain.
Can you look at Ren's graph?
Much as meme as that is, if P-Hub ever adopts crypto as payment, you're in for cash gains. Oh, absolutely, man. That's why I'm holding that one. I'm holding that one. Because the cat coins will have their day, man. The cat coins will have their day. It's at the bottom, buy more. Could be. You never know with those things, man. But I'm still holding it. I'm still holding that that P. All right, so let's see Ren. Ren. So Ren. Is there anything juicy about Ren? Let's see, man. Man. Ren doesn't have as good a setup as some of these other things, man. This one had a slight fake out to the upside. Slight fake out. Other than that, it's still kind of in a bear flag. Same thing as Bitcoin, right? We ultimately want to get back above that and hold it. Pretty fat rejection off the 200 EMA there. I mean, overall, the daily's still a daily. Let me go to the 4-hour here. See if there's any. Yeah, I mean, short-term bullish div. That was a nice play. If you caught that one, that was nice. Right off support, you had bullish divergence. That was a nice play if you caught that for Ren. 4-hour was bottomed out. I mean, that was a pretty nice long there if you got that on a trade for all you traders out there. But yeah, you go back above the 50. Now we want to see is continuation to the 200. Get back above the 200. So that's at 38 cents. Let's focus on that. 4 hours still got some room to run if it wants to. But same as all these other alts, let's break the previous swing highs to kind of create these W reversals, right? You got to get back above 36.3, you know, for these short-term reversals. But showing nice short-term reversals, you just got to get that continuation now. But the setup is there, right? The setup was there. It happens. Let's get continuation. I'm sure this had daily, let's see. Yeah, daily bullish engulfing. Yeah, beautiful daily bullish engulfing. Higher close in the previous. It's a nice setup there. It's just you got to get the continuation now, you know? But nice setup. Link. Check out Chainlink. Give me 1 second. Let me get through some of these for these guys here. So Ren, freeload and wanted PTP. What the heck is PTP, man? Platypus Finance? What the heck is this? Gosh, man. I guess we were talking about puss. So we got platypus now. I mean, you're at the lows. I actually don't hate this. I don't hate this one. I kind of like the setup here. You're at the daily close lows. You got slightly lower lows with higher lows, with daily stocks bottoming out. I don't like that as far as you know, I mean, obviously it's a trader's thing right now, but as far as like a long here, I don't mind that. For a longer term hold, it's not a bad spot. I mean, risk versus reward. You're right at support with bullish divergence. Daily stocks are bottomed out. You just need Bitcoin to behave, and this is a nice setup there for Platypus. Nice setup for Platypus Finance. The nice puss. But yeah, I mean, you want to get. That sounds like something I should short. Drew's always coming in with the haymakers. But yeah, you just want to see that continuation back up, man, and hope for the double bottom continuation to the upside. At the end of the day, if you want to short it because it's called Platypus, I mean, go ahead, man. I'm just looking at the charts, but Platypus, that sounds like something you should short. I wouldn't invest in Platypus, but hey, if you want to look at it, go ahead. Ultimately, I'm not going to look at anything shorter than the 4 hour. You want to get back on the previous swing highs, 450. Longer term, you want to get back above that. You know what I mean? All right, here comes Bitcoin. 41K, baby. 41K. Pump is like popping off. It's not really popping off, but it's going up a little bit. I had to dance for 41K because I said I wanted to hit 41K on stream. And at least we hit 41K. I'll take it, man. I'll take it. We're not really out of the woods yet, but I will take 41K. Okay, at the very, very least. Drew, there's your short signal, man. Pump song. There you go, man. Short it. No, but in all seriousness, I mean, we wicked up to this area a few times on the hourly. Let's get it back above this range. But ultimately, man, the close above the 200 EMA on the hourly, close above the 50 EMA on the 4 hour, the 55 EMA on the 4 hour. I like where Bitcoin's at. Let's break back above this, right? You got this sort of downtrend of resistance here. 1 wick, 2 wicks, 3 wicks, 4 wicks. You're sitting right at that right now. If this breaks, 4 hours still got some room to run, which I think it's going to happen, man. I think it's going to happen. You have the breakout in the RSI here, right? You have this horizontal resistance. You broke out in the RSI. Usually when you break out the RSI, price action does follow to the upside. So let's see, man. Let's see. Not a bad short. That is hours on bottom, not days. The FOMO thirst is strong with big pickles. Chris said the giant U my portfolio made today. Are we popping off? I wouldn't say we're popping off. I think that's a little bit crazy. All right, Crazy Eye. We looked at Ren a little bit earlier, man. We probably looked at Ren maybe 10 minutes ago. And then the graph. Man, I haven't looked at the graph in a hot minute, man. The graph. God, the graph kind of sucks. Oh, man, I've never been a fan of the graph. I know some people love the graph, but the graph sucks, man. This thing sucks. This thing, it went up in early 2021, and since then, it was just a slow bleed back down. The graph sucks, man.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
No, but in all seriousness, for me to be slightly serious here, let's see, man. Any hope of a reversal? Daily stocks bottomed out, no bullish div. Man, this is what it is. Let me. I never liked the graph. Luna. Sorry for everyone who FOMO'd into the graph at $3. RIP, man. But the graph, any hope at a short-term reversal? I mean, it's like a lot of these other ones, man. In the 4 hour, you got bullish div. 4 hour stocks were bottomed out. It was a nice little return there. So I would say now you got the close above the 20. You have a couple times in the past. Let me actually check one more thing here. Yeah, you got the breakout. Looks like, let's see if you get a 4 hour close. You get a 4 hour close above this. It's sort of like a wedge formation. The target would be back at the top of the wedgie. Back up here. You probably get some resistance at the 200 EMA. But nevertheless, the target will be back up here. Right around 40 cents will be the target. So not too shabby. Let's see if we get a 4 hour close above this. I think the graph could continue up a little bit higher. But the graph, Not a big fan on the longer term time frames, man. The graph. The graph sucks. Goldfish said, when will the leverage traders learn they can't make money because of the Mr. Market Maker? Never, man. Never, 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 never. You know why? You know why they'll never learn? Because some of them make money. Some of them. Very, very few amount of them make money. And the few amount that make money are very, very loud that they make money. So they make everyone think that they can make money trading. And let me tell you, 90% of people can't do it. So the loud minority that does make money will convince other people that they can. And it's a ever-revolving cycle. Ever-revolving cycle. Okay? Especially in times like this when Bitcoin's going sideways, everyone wants to turn into traders. That's going to dominate the space when Bitcoin's going sideways. Which, I mean, right now, I mean, during the boring times, it's not a bad time to try to learn how to trade. Definitely not a bad time, especially since things are boring. This is the time you probably want to learn how to trade. I always tell people, if you want to learn how to trade, see if you can make money on a fake account first, okay, with fake money first before you try to trade with real money. But most people don't want to do that. So it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Everyone will learn the hard way, I guess. Step 1, sell it. Step 2, that's the only step. Oh, God. Matic? Everyone wants Matic. Yeah, Matic went up a pretty good amount today, too. Let me look at Matic. Everyone's asking for Matic here. Matic. Matic. Let's see. Let's see. So you got right here. Yeah, you broke the downtrend. I mean, at the end of the day, when you break this, you're gonna get a slight pump. It was like everything else, man. I mean, all the alts had very similar setups, right? Lower lows, higher lows. 4-hour stocks bottomed out. You know, a lot of alts had very, 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 very similar setups. So take that for what you will. It's not really, I don't like to call it a certain pattern if we only have 2 touches on a certain side. So I would say right now, I mean, the break above the 50 is nice. You know, in theory, a move to the 200 would make some sense. You also have a previous high there. So right around here, it's not going to happen right away. Somewhere around that 149 mark. There's also the 200 EMA coming in right around that level too. Makes a lot of sense there for Matic, especially if Bitcoin can continue with some momentum here. I'm going to see a little bit more momentum coming in here for Bitcoin. Let me actually zoom in here for BTC. Let's go to like a 5-minute chart on BTC. Let's get a little deep and dirty here, shall we? Let's see. So clear resistance there on the 5-minute. The old 5-minute shot. The charts. Gotta love the charts. Trying to make higher lows though. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Trying to make its way back up. Let's see what happens though. You never know. You never know with BTC. Andrew said, should I just not 100x and think I'm a pro? Yep. Fact.
Can you check GMT? Thanks, love your content.
Pimon? Pimon's probably wrecked, man. I remember I bought that way back in the day. That was so long ago. Let's see. I still hold some of it, I think. 430. RIP, man. Well, actually, I didn't buy this one that high. I think I bought this one. I forget. I think it was somewhere around here. Yeah, I think it was somewhere around here. No, it was a little bit earlier. Yeah, I think I bought this one somewhere around like 10, 12, somewhere around there. In the middle of last year. But yeah, that one's down too. I mean, most alts are down. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not going to get too upset over it. GMT. I got you, Cryptovich. Cryptovich. Brett said, I think we're going to correct for the next 2 hours. We could. We could definitely do that. All right, let's do a GMT. GMT. Let's see. Holy moly. Look at GMT. Is this... Oh, wow. There you go, man. GMT all-time highs. Congratulations, man. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. GMT all-time highs. Let's just look at where the 1.618 fib is, just for example. So GMT all-time highs, 1.618 fib is at 383, man. 383. Ultra's doing well. Nice, man. 383 is the 1.618 fib. Look at the daily time frame. Daily still got a little bit of room to run. Just be careful here, depending on where this is. You know, I mean, you technically are creating some bearish div. It's not confirmed yet. Still could go a little bit higher here. Typically, the 1.618 likes to get tagged if you do break all-time highs in a bullish trend. We obviously don't know what Bitcoin's going to do next, but I think we're going to go up, so we'll see. But yeah, 383 will be the technical next target. Just be careful of bearish dividends on the daily. 4 hours, getting a little bit overbought on stocks and RSI here. So just be slightly careful there on GMT if you're looking to FOMO in. I never recommend FOMOing, by the way. I only buy 20% dips. I don't FOMO. But for everyone that already did get into GMT, nice, man. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, nice, nice. I love it. I love it, dude. I caught that from 5 days ago. It was a great trade for me. Nice, man. So you got in, yeah, you got it 5 days ago. Nice. Got down to like 226. That's a pretty nice gain there, man. Congrats, man. GMT is still, looked at GMT was at 84 cents. We've all done that before, man. We've all done that. Looked at something, man. The thing that pisses me off to this day is something that you would never expect. And that is, what was it? Oh, crap. What was it, man? Oh, that was Sea Rocket, man. Sea Rocket. Screwed me, man. I looked at that back when it first came out. Not that one. Cummies absolutely screwed me, man. I looked at that when it was so low and I didn't get in. I'm still pissed to this day about that one, man. But hey, you cannot, you make mistakes, and that's what you do. That's what you do. Many things. Let's see. Diddy. Crow. Let's check out Crow. Hoping Crow's doing something for you Crowers out there. Who owns Crow? Let me know in the chat. Crow. Yeah, Crow's trying to come up too. It's really the same setups, man. I hate to keep repeating myself, but it's really the same setups for a lot of altcoins. It's the lower lows, the higher lows, and stocks bottomed out. That's typically I like that as a setup. It's very simple, but you know, a lot of things in life are simple. So lower lows, higher lows, daily 4-hour stocks were bottomed out. That was nice. So you got back up to 20, looking to come up and tag the 50, which is at 41.5. Sorry, for the 55. I keep saying the 50. 55, which is at 41.5. So not too shabby there. No bearish divergence as of now. Let's see where you close. That's not looking too shabby. Just make sure that hourly is not looking too bad. Yeah, hourly looks fine. Still some room to run there in the hourly and the 4-hour. So I don't see this stopping unless Bitcoin poops the bed at the moment, which you never can count out, right? Yeah, the daily looks fine too. Nothing wrong with the daily. Actually, perfect bounce off the 200 EMA. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Nice bounce off the 200 EMA. So let's take this. Yeah, it was nice, man. Nice little ultimate. I mean, Crow's in this like big macro pattern here, right? Big macro symmetrical triangle. Hopefully is not a continuation pattern. They're usually continuation patterns, but you know, long term, I hope this breaks to the upside. I want to check on total. Actually, real quick, we didn't look at this earlier. I wanted to look at total market cap. Total market cap's bouncing off a very interesting area, man. Very, very interesting area. Total market cap actually got a nice bullish engulfing on the daily as well. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. 1, 2, bullish engulfing on the daily. You gotta love the pickle, man. The pickle. Bullish engulfing on the daily. Hoping to get continuation. Why I like total? It's at an interesting spot. If you look left, such an interesting level. You know, just from a macro sense, right? You got previous highs, flipping to support, flipping to resistance, flipping to support, right? I mean, you came back down, flipped this resistance, flipped the support, flipped this resistance. Now you try to flip this support again. I mean, this is really like the swing level. This whole consolidation, this has really been the swing level right here at about 1.8 trillion. And right now we're trying to make a W reversal off that swing level. The same thing we did last summer, right? You guys can see last summer when we moved up, we came back down the big, pretty big correction back in September. We went down
What other low cap did you want to accumulate?
28%. We actually went down 28% in the summertime and kind of had a nice W reversal right off that same level. We're trying to do the same thing now. Obviously, very, very different circumstances, but swing low, come back up, swing low again. Let's see if we can get the same bounce we did the summertime. Obviously, like we said, very, very different circumstances, but trying to get that pickle, man. Trying to get that nice little pickle to the upside. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Here come the pencil necks. No one cares about total market cap. We just want to talk about crypto coins. What's total? What's total? The only total I see on this channel is this total BS. Crypto's a scam. Like, why would anybody even watch this channel? Never mind even invest in crypto. Like, all it's done for the past year is go down. I don't like to zoom out. I just like to look at the last year. Oh, God, man. I gotta stop laughing like that. It's gonna ruin my voice. But nevertheless, yeah, pencil necks. Pencil necks. We're at a good level on the total. Good level on total. Just Moon when bullish. I will leave her number just below this comment. What are you talking about, Bobby? Oh, get out of here, Bobby. 40,950 for BTC. Gotta break this $41,100 level, man. I have friends like that. Of course you do. Everyone has friends like that, man. Everyone has friends like that. Does anyone have friends or family, anyone that you know, that they call crypto a scam? They never want to invest. They never want to invest down here. Crypto's a scam. But as soon as it goes up, they start asking about Doge, Shiba Inu, Safe Moon, okay? Doge, Shiba. Crypto's a scam. Crypto's a scam. Goes back up. Floki Inu. Goes back down. Crypto's a scam. It's like they don't learn. Like, some people just can't wrap their head around buying low and selling high, or just holding, man. Even just buying low, just a simple fact of buying low. No one. It's ridiculous, dude. It's like all they just want to buy when the prices go up. They don't understand the fact that. I mean, I guess it's everyone in crypto. It's not even just people that don't like crypto. It's everyone, even people that are in crypto. They don't even know. All right, Bitcoin, 41.4. Let's see. Total loses, says Rob. Total loses. I wouldn't call them losers. I would think that they're just not, they don't understand the fact of investing and trying and buying when the prices are going down instead of only wanting to invest in meme coins when the prices go up at the tops. I don't know. They'll never learn. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here we go. It's going to come right back down. Let's see. All right, I just wanted to break 41.1. All right, 41.1, baby. There it is. Will it last? Well, who knows. But, hey, nice stuff. We're breaking back above this channel, which is good. All right, breaking back above that channel. Let's see if we come back up to the 200 EMA, man, which is 42,250. Ultimately, what we want to do for BTC here is we want to get back above the previous swing lows. We're getting back above the previous closes, right? The previous daily closes was right about 41.1. We're getting back above there. Ultimately, though, we want to get back to confirm this W Actually, let me go to this chart here. Yeah, let me go to this chart. You guys get the point. We bounced off the 618. It was beautiful, right? I'm going to get rid of the fibs. You guys get that point now. What we want to do is get back above the previous swing highs. 41.5. Right around 41.5. Let's get back above that. Don't want to hold back song? All right. Let's see if we can hold it, though, I'm getting hyped, man. I'm getting hyped. That's what I'm doing. Guys, I will repeat again. Pump song or any hype song does not equal FOMO, okay? Pump song, hype song does not equal FOMO, does not equal press the buy button, okay? You want to get in before we play the pump songs, okay? The pump song is a celebration, okay? A celebration of you already investing, okay? It is not a FOMO or buy song. I want everyone to, I want to make that clear. Because a lot of people are like, oh, we play the pump song, that means it's going to go up higher. No, it means it's already going up. It doesn't mean buy now, okay? I want to make that perfectly clear. These nuts. What's up, Chewy? Chewy said these nuts. FOMO now. It does not mean FOMO, okay? It does not mean do this. Oh, yeah, we're printing money right now. Okay, it does not mean do this. Don't do it. Guys, FOMO. FOMO so I can take all your money. FOMO. Right now, do it. Do it. FOMO. You know you want to. I'm going to take all your money on leverage. Guys, I just did 100x short. I just shorted the market. I'm so smart. I just put in a short. Let me put my stop loss. 41,250. That's my stop loss. Let me put it in here. Let me put it in for you guys. Okay. Jaba liquidated. J-A-B-A. I can't spell my name. Let's see. J-A-B-A. Yes, that's it. Okay. Jaba liquidated. 41,250 is my liquidation price. I'm not going to get liquidated, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. 41,250. All right. I'll see you guys if I get liquidated. See ya. Someone said dude is smart. He's not very smart, man. Don't get me wrong. He's not very smart. All right, 41,250. All right, if 41,250, if we break that, Java gets liquidated. Let's see if we can liquidate Java, man. I want to see it happen. 41,250 right there. I don't know why that's not working, though. Let me do it on a different chart here. Let's do it on... What bugger should we do it on? I'm trying to think which... I don't know why it's not working. We do alert. 41,250. There we go. Let's do Java liquidated. Not Bajaba. Java liquidated. Don't have to be smart when you look that good. Facts. Bro! All right, you guys get the point. If we break that, Java's liquidated, man. I'm already in a loss. Let's see. Oh, Alex said, what other low cap did you want to accumulate? Low caps? I mean, for me, a low cap... I mean, I'm still holding some other ones I bought a long time ago. I don't really go into like super low caps anymore. I would say as far as low caps, what is going on here, man? Let me refresh. There we go. As far as low caps, I'm looking at back down to... Is Luna going off? We'll check out Luna in a second, man. Luna's going off. Harmony is one of them. Harmony's back to like 65. I mean, 1.5 billion. It's not a super low cap, but Harmony is one I've been accumulating. You guys know that. Where's the other one? Cadena back down at about below $1 billion. Cadena is another one I've been accumulating. Anything else? Audius is one that I hold. Yeah, I mean, listen, I tend to stay into the top 100, but yeah, Audius, Cadena, and Harmony have been a few that I've been holding for a little bit. And those are more of my lower cap ones. Other than that, dude, I should have bought Steppen. Ah, damn. I should have bought Steppen the other day. God damn it. You know how much that shoe coin is up today?
Which one?
Steppen. It's up 42% today. God damn it. I should have bought those damn shoes, man. See? If you have a hunch, you should buy it, man. I was going to buy one of those Steppen shoes, and it's up 42% today. God damn it, dude. I should have bought Steppen. But yeah, those are a couple of them. Drew said definitely accumulating KDA. Nice. What's up, Skillful? Oh, Luna. Was Luna up again today? Or not today, but on the new day. Let's see. Luna. It's up about 0.5%. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Where's Luna? 91.50. Luna just continues to crush it, man. I mean, Luna's back above, trying to get back above the 20 EMA now. That's the last one you want to get. You close right at the 20 EMA. So, not too shabby for Luna. We looked at earlier a couple of the fib retracement levels. So, I mean, obviously, the 0.5, right at the next previous highs. 97.80 would be the next target I'm looking at there. If you can get a daily close above the 20 EMA, which at that point it might be too late. It might already be at that level. But nevertheless, this is what it is. People are making $150 walking home from work with GMT. Yeah, man. I was thinking about buying some shoes before. It was probably like 2 weeks ago. Thinking about buying some of those damn shoes. I was like, I'm not paying. At the time, I think the cheapest shoe. How much was the cheapest shoe? I think it was like $750 for this cheapest shoe. Now it's probably double that, right? God damn it! Should have bought the damn shoes. But you can't change it. You can't change what you didn't do. You know. That's why I said people $150 walking home. You can. I did some research into it, and like, you have to recharge the shoe. So it's not just pure profit. Obviously, you have to pay to recharge the shoe or like repair the shoe or whatever it's called. And depending on what shoe you wear, you get more. And then some of them for walking, some of them from jogging, some for running. And you can only do, I don't know if this is true, but you can only do a certain amount of steps per day. I don't know, man. If I was to get those, I just want to walk all day. You know? But I don't know if you can. Probably you could cheat the system. Probably why. Zill. What's up, Miguel? All right. Anything else really going on? Not really, man. Let's see. Let's see. Solana trying to come up. We've talked about a lot of these already. Check out Link. People want a Link earlier. Check out Link. So Chainlink. Link, man. What have you done to me? Link used to be so good. And it really since... I mean, obviously it was doing very, very well up until the May crash. But, I mean, since then it's been kind of lackluster. But, I don't think it's going to continue to be. I'm still a believer in Link. It just doesn't get everyone hyped, you know? It's not that sexy... Doesn't have that sex appeal, you know? It's like that... It's just an oracle. It doesn't get everyone excited, but... You know, Chainlink is... Let's see, man. I mean, it's at such an important level. I mean, the summer lows, really the February lows, the January lows, just at such an important level. Such an important level. It's just the question of, will it bounce? Will it have the conviction to bounce here? Say the daily stocks are oversold, so typically when that happens, you do get a pretty nice bounce to the upside, man. You know, at least the last couple times. Right here, you got a pretty nice bounce to the upside. From about $13 to about 16. I mean, nothing crazy. This time, you know, from about 13 to about 19. Nothing crazy, but Still a nice bounce, nevertheless. But there's times where it doesn't really play out. So, listen, I would say for Chainlink macro, you definitely want to hold this general level. You definitely want to hold this general level. Let's take the 4 hour here. 4 hour has the same setup as every alt. I could have guessed that one. But yeah, lower lows, higher lows. 4 hour stocks are bottomed out. You do for a bounce, right? Let's get back above the 55. Get back to 55 EMA. Test the 200, which you just got a rejection at a couple days ago. Or about a week ago. About a week ago! Yeah, 15.14. If you could break the 50 EMA. But yeah, Chainlink, it's one of those, yeah, patience. It's just that sexy. No one gets excited for Chainlink. You know? Too old school, say Wes. Could be, I mean, it could be too old school. What's up, Waterfly? Link is that gummy granny that we know is ready if you some want it. Link, man. Link. Can I get purple pickles in the chat? Purple pickles? What, the eggplant? Is a purple pickle an eggplant? That is the question. Hey, if everyone wants to put a purple pickle in the chat, you definitely can. All right, ETH. Let's go look at ETH. What I like about ETH is right now we're holding the 50 EMA. That's what I like about ETH right now. Now I don't personally like comparing to 20 earlier cycles, right? I think it's kind of dumb in my opinion, but nevertheless, you know, it still mimics a lot of these consolidations that it had in the past. You know, and it's not always going to mimic it, but it's just so similar to these previous two, which you had. I mean, so similar to 2017 consolidation here, and also this consolidation back in 2016. Just so similar, where you had 3 peaks, each time kind of making higher lows. Other than this one time we made lower lows, but it's so similar to this consolidation and this consolidation here, in the fact that you get this kind of a triple top. All in different ways, but kind of these 3 runs. We have 1 run, you have 2 runs. It's going to be the 3rd run to the upside. Let's see. But I want to see this hold the 50 EMA in the short term. Right? W reversal below, back above, back test. Hopefully this can get some continuation to the upside here in the weekly. Hopefully. Look at the daily on Captain ETH. Yeah, you're still below really all your EMAs in the daily. You still got a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do here on ETH, but nevertheless, it is what it is. Why are your nuts sweating, Psycho Pearl? Why the hell are your nuts sweating, man? The only person who has nuts sweating is Java. Jordan, don't tell him that. Okay, yes, my nuts are sweating, and they're a little salty. Okay? I'm nervous. I'm nervous about my shore. I'm not very confident. I think Bitcoin's going to go maybe higher, but that's why my nuts are sweaty, okay? It's not because I'm fat, okay? I'm nervous. I promise. It's only because I'm nervous. Melissa likes them salty anyway. So who cares? Who cares? Oh, God. Salty nuts? Jabba, bring those over here, baby. Oh, God, man. Here we go. Oh, here they come. No, I'm not going to do it. But anyways. Yeah, I mean, we know what we're waiting for ETH. Just waiting on Bitcoin going up at the end of the day. Pants off? No, we're not doing pants off, man. We took my shirt off the other day. Actually, that was a pretty long time ago. That wasn't the other day. I'm still red. Hold on. There we go. Dimitri said Jesus too. I'm about to have dinner. I had to take a quick sip of water, guys. Sorry. Quick sip of water there. DJs, can I get purple pickles? Yeah, if you want to put eggplants in the chat, you can. Psycho Pearl said, real question, 10 Sol, 10 Axie, or 2 Illuvian? I'm going 10 Sol, man. Give me the Sol. I'm a high cap guy. I obviously hold low caps too, as the lotto tickets, but I'm generally a higher cap guy. So give me the soul, man. Give me the soul. It's disturbing. Even think about the possibilities. All right, guys. Anything else to really check out? Anything interesting you guys want me to check out? Let me know in the chat. Anything interesting you guys want to check out? We can look at altcoins all day. I think a lot of, like I said, to be honest, a lot of them are going to depend on, you know, does Bitcoin want to make a W, break the W, and get continuation. I mean, that's at the end of the day, it's what a lot of these alts are going to wait for. You know, but some of them are making some nice recoveries, which is really, really nice. We obviously just need Bitcoin to hold up. Yep, that's it. That's it. And I think the real test is going to be, can Bitcoin break the previous highs at 41.5? If we can, I think, you know, it's got some nice possibilities back to the upside, especially as the daily Ichimoku cloud comes up. It's going to give us some higher levels of resistance coming up. So, listen, man, that's a lot of it's going to work out right now. Zil, OGN, Sol. Let's see. Can you check out your biceps? I have a hoodie on, man. I got the classic red hoodie. The classic red hoodie.
What is a good entry point for Maple, MPL? You called it perfectly on FXS. Thanks.
Clint said, need another kissy face with you and Maya. BTC and crypto is boring me. Clint, where's your wife, man? Where's your wife, man? She can't give you a kiss? Clint, where is your wife? Okay? I'm sorry Melissa's not over there. Okay? Where's your wife? Carrie, I got you. I got you, Carrie. Maple? Appreciate that, Carrie. Thanks for the super chat. I called it perfectly on FXS. I'm happy I did. I'm happy I did. I tried my best. You know? I tried my best.
Smith bought XRP. This is why he snapped.
Will Smith bought XRP. This is why he snapped. XRP, man. Listen, someday XRP is going to kill it.
Rant alert.
Who knows when, but someday XRP is going to come and blow our minds. It might be in 2030. It might be in 2035. Okay? We might not all be around at that time. But someday, okay, it will blow your mind when this case is settled.
Rant alert.
Someday. Who knows when. I thought it was going to be done in 2021, early 2021, late 2021. And here we are, almost halfway through 2022. And no end in sight. Apparently, the end is always in sight, apparently. Maple. It's the best chart we got on Maple here. MPL. Does Wobi have a better chart? Okay, this one's not bad. Maple's coming down a little bit. All right, so what do we got going on? We're coming back down to the 20 EMA on the daily. Headphones actually 2 feet away. Oh, God. No, MPL. Let's see. Higher lows. Lower lows. Right? Daily stocks come down to the 20. Daily stocks are bottoming out. Coming down to the 20 EMA. You had bearish div. It's kind of already played out, which is nice. You already got the pullback, right? You had bearish divergence. Not going to count that wick. You pulled back 20%. Perfect. All right. We reset that. Now we got hidden bullish divergence with the daily stocks bottoming out, coming right to the 20 EMA. Nice setup there. I think you probably have a little bit lower to come on this. Probably back down to at least 54.30, which is the 20 EMA on the daily. But that might be a good opportunity to pick some up for a longer term hold. Shorter term, let's see, man. Just coiling up in the shorter term. Just a classic consolidation, right? I mean, price is contracting. It's not a perfect triangle or anything, but price is contracting. You're just waiting for a move up. I mean, usually your continuation patterns. I think this continues to move up. Personally, I think it continues to move up. You got, yeah, this one didn't have bullish divergence like a lot of other alts. But, I mean, you're just kind of consolidating, man. Or I should say woman, Carrie. But, yeah, I think this is consolidating. You already got your pullback on the bearish divergence. Now you got nice setup on the daily. And I'm not too worried about the short-term time frames. I'm really not. I'm really, really not. Will Smith smacked XRP. Smacked it. Gotta love Will Smith, man. Shout out to Will Smith for standing up for his wife. It's not always smart to stand up for your wife, let me tell you. It's okay to not stand up for your wife sometimes, especially if you know she's wrong.
Nope.
Don't let anyone tell you differently, okay? Because they're not always right, let me tell you. Let's see. Keith. XRP army wearing that foil armor. The XRP army. I don't understand why there's an XRP army. Like, to this day, okay. I don't know if it's like this carryover from 2017. I don't understand why there is an XRP army. I to this day I just don't get it. There's not really like a Solana army. There's not really like a Cardano. Or there was a Cardano army. I think that army's gone. But I don't know why there's an XRP army. I don't understand it. Can someone explain it to me? Can someone explain it to me? Okay? Can someone explain it? And can someone explain to me why it's like, oh, if they win the case, they're going to moon? I don't know if that's necessarily the case. Will they go up? Probably everything will go up if they win the case. So I don't think it's this thing like, oh, XRP wins the case, it's going to go to $10. I think everything will go up. That would be bullish for all of crypto. So I don't know, man. That's just my take on it. If you want to invest in it as a moonshot, go ahead, man. Be my guest. Pretty still army. Good. All a stunt. I don't know. It could be. There's an XRP army because there are a lot of people who bought the XRP top or almost the top. Probably. Clint, Clint, I'm not going to comment on that, man. Oh, God. Clint, I'm not going to comment on that in the chat. Oh, Clint. You have a bigger mouth than I do, man. You got a way bigger mouth than I do. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. All right. Total market cap coming up still. I mean, all the alts are coming up. I'm kind of just chilling right now, guys. I mean, listen, we kind of talked about everything we had to talk about. So I'm kind of just chilling, shooting the crap right now. I'm just shooting the crap. Can you check out the 3-day Gaussian channel and the 50 and 200 looks like a death cross? Yeah, I'm not sold on the death crosses, man. I mean, we had a death cross in the summertime. How'd that play out, right? We went up to the upside. Same thing with the golden crosses. The golden crosses are kind of BS too. The golden crosses and the death crosses. They're lagging indicators, right? I'm not like just throwing shade or anything. I'm just saying, like, if you get a golden cross, it's because you already had bullish price action. So the momentum's to the upside. Right? So you obviously have a higher chance to go to the upside if you get a golden cross. Same with the bearish cross. You get a bearish cross because two moving averages, you get the shorter term moving average going below the longer term moving average, which shows you have bearish momentum. Obviously, if you already have bearish momentum, there's a higher chance of going to the downside. Bearish and bullish crosses are kind of done. And that's just my take. If you like to trade them, go ahead. It is what it is. I mean, I think they're just kind of already telling you the obvious direction of the market. The 3-day Gaussian channel. It's interesting. We can check it out, though. I got no problem checking that out. Let's see, man. Where's the old Gaussian channel? The 3-day. We're trying to hold the bottom of it. Is there anything we can take from this, though? Interesting. It's kind of the same thing as the Ichimoku cloud, right? We know we're trying to hold the bottom of the daily Ichimoku cloud. Oh, this is the daily. But it's kind of the daily is interesting, too. Because on the Gaussian channel, last summer, we did kind of the same thing. We broke back above the Gaussian channel, came back to the bottom, held it as support. It's the same thing we're doing right now. Came back up, came back to the bottom, trying to hold it as support. Now, obviously, take it for what you will. It's an indicator. Halfway, we actually had the W reversal with the neckline come right up to the midpoint of the Gaussian channel. Same thing kind of happened now. It's actually kind of interesting how the similarities to the summertime and now. I don't know, man. Take it for what you will, but very, very similar. Obviously, we want to hold that. It's not a very good sign. I mean, I'm kind of a fan of the Gaussian channel too. Every time you break below it, you have pretty big drops, like right here in May, bonk. Right here, back in December, bonk. Okay, so you obviously don't want to break back below that. Just to be honest, but hey, so far so good. I know you said the 3-day. If you look at the 3-day, why not? The 3-day, we're right on the bottom of it, right on the brink. Right on the brink of the bottom. I don't know. What can you take from this, right? I mean, you're sitting at the bottom. You've broken below it before. How much can you take from this? I don't know, man. You broke below it before and came back in. Broke below it before and came back in. I don't know how much you take from the 3-day. But the daily I like. The daily I like, man. I will say that. 5-day crypto loves this indicator. 5-day crypto. Nice. Who said TA is all BS? I would say this. When it comes to crypto, okay, in a bullish trend, I would say this. In a bullish trend, it's easy to be right. In a bearish trend, it's easy to be right. Now, I'll say this. Like, when the market's bullish, it's easy to give bullish targets, right? When the market's bearish, it's easy to give bearish targets. You're not a genius, right? In a bearish trend, you're not a genius for saying it's giving a bearish target. In a bull market, you're not a genius for giving a bullish target. In sideways, I think if you can trade good in sideways action, that separates the good traders and the average Joes, right? Because an average Joe can long Bitcoin or long an altcoin in a bull market, right? Any ape, right? Any animal, any pig, any rooster could have longed Bitcoin this way up and made money. Any rooster could have longed Bitcoin the way up and made money, right? Any rooster could have shorted Bitcoin and made money, right? If that's the way you roll. I'm not a trader, so I'm not going to do that. But any rooster could have did that. The real traders are the ones that can trade the chop, right? And I think that's where TA comes in. Other than that, I mean, you're just following the trends, in my opinion, man. TA's politics. They never answer the question. Well, I'm telling you, man, I think we're going up. I think we're going up. All right, guys. On that note, we talked a lot of stuff today. It's 9. I'm going to head out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right? I'll catch you guys later. Stay easy. Don't panic sell your crypto. And most of all, don't panic sell your crypto. Have a good Tuesday. Have a fantastic Tuesday, actually. Okay? Fantastic Tuesday. Don't stare too much at the charts. You guys do you. But have a fantastic, fantastic Tuesday. Take it in. Let's see if Bitcoin can continue this run to the upside. Next target's the 200 EMA, 42.2. Ultimately, Bitcoin, we want to get back above the daily neckline at 41,500. That's the level we want to get back above. Let's friggin' do it. I think we're going to do it, man. Right at support again. If you want to flip bearish at support, you do it. You might get lucky. But I don't like flipping bearish at support, so I'm not going to do it. All right? Catch you guys later. Adios. Stay easy. Don't panic sell your crypto. Like I said earlier, man. Don't do it. Adios, guys. Peace.